The secret of the bakery. Mix the cookies with egg. I will start this recipe by pouring in a blender 200 grams of cornstarch cookies along with 6 eggs. Next, I will add a cup of sugar. And finally, 800 milliliters of milk. Now I will cover and let mix everything well until a homogeneous mixture. With the mixture in this consistency, I will add a tablespoon of vanilla essence. I will beat again, incorporating our mixture. That done, let's book. In a pan with low heat, I will add a cup of sugar. And I will mix it very well until the sugar turns into caramel. Do it at home and then come back here to thank me. I guarantee that the taste will surprise you and you will always want to do it. With the caramel in this consistency, I will add half a cup of water, which I will add gradually while I continue mixing. After I discovered this recipe, I always have the dessert guaranteed after dinner and family lunch. Simple and practical to make, and the taste is incredible. That's a sweet spot for caramel. Once that's done, I'll pour into a form. Next, I will pass the caramel on the sides of the pan, as if we were greasing, like this. In the meantime, tell me which town you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Tonight's hug goes to Andrew Sullivan from Texas. I'm glad you are enjoying our recipes. Now I will pour the mixture we made earlier. That done, I'm going to cover our form with a piece of aluminum paper. Then I'll put the pan in a pan. I'll add water halfway through the pan. I will cover and leave cooking for 40 minutes. After time, let's see if our pudding is at its ideal point. With a knife, I will pierce, that way. That's where it should stay with our pudding. I'll remove the aluminum paper. Now I'll take the ice cream and let it cool for 2 hours. After a while, our incredible cornstarch biscuit pudding is ready. I will unmold to finally taste this wonderful recipe. And look how it turned out! You need to experiment. Do it at your home and invite a special person to eat with you. I guarantee that your guest will love the results so much that will even ask you for the recipe. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you so much for joining us here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.